You will never guess what I found in this chicken coop. I came out here to check on the chickens, and as I looked over the bar into the coop, I see an egg. These girls and one guy, there he is, were born in August. What are you doing? Are you feeling tough? This guy just started to crow this morning. Sound like one of them rubber chickens. Look at how small this thing is. Nope, 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 nope. Oh man, I have an escapee. No Buster, no Smokey. Okay, chicken chase is complete. Okay, let's put you back home. All because I wanted to get the first egg.